tôi kerja bala betul kan tinggi so nguk semburom ye ki pai ba na tersebut tapi iya kejing donor kan jeng kan nane sikmat ni nak pau susu di kam di bagin teri bahan di saja pai ba
Kadon kini ka jingkeno ba kini ka jingjok kembali kata ka jingjok dan berjuang kan ba itu tadi lima kali sudah nyoban percaya halo kata
iya kata menurut kamu percaya nomor man election unu ne barem mu keno bet ba kayak bisa dia kata nak try kam desu ke betumai ya ka allegation unu kandidat barem usuang bet bangiren nomor bagi ai bisa dia kata kan dia ba julong hidup buat ya kata ngama dan kong bangan pen unu handai ke ba kadu kalau mau di ndon kesiram ndon lupa nomor bahasa ni agi ba ya kandidat ba tunjuk ya ke parti ngatrai kata kan dia berdekam
Maksud kayak gitu jupi ke kongres baka kongres ke jiro bentar kan itu election
ai ke kongres tengah ngalai pengapai perlu ba baik suara ba kejahat kan ngam Sesuatu bahaya ya kentino nama Rio suya yang jelok lu so.
But Teston,
Yes.
out of 3 seats, you MPP has 2 seats. So how do you feel?
Yeah, I was so grateful to the voters of all the 3 conferences, whatever. Of course, we could not manage for Mauplang conference. However, we have got not less than 5,000 plus votes, even in Mauplang. So we have seen that people still trust our party, NPP party, and not only NPP party, even UDP and the MDA partners as a whole, because we work together and then we carry along the ball for the interest of the citizens of the state as a whole. So therefore, I'm so grateful to all the 3 conferences where people have faith on the MDA government led by NPP.
What was the key factors which have led to the victory of MDA, especially?
Oh, yeah, that's for that you research it yourself. Why should you ask me? That you research yourself. But that's what I'm telling you, because they have faith. The policy, the decision taken by the party along with the MDA partners, I'm telling you, people they do have faith in the present MDA government led by NPP.
Saya kata saya begini ki Pak Kunci Majid Pak yang kunci Mauplang.
People along today, namalay pikiran tik na mga kamaupuan ko sa si, doon ko jongi na kaliang ka NPP, doon na kaliang ka UDP. Kaya nga ang pi, kijingjit, kijingjit, na kaliang jong at sarkar. Kaya nakada ngamom kumnuro, namal ba kaway o kasato, ilamsam lang, ijon sa kapartida nga sa sandarik, jong ulignay,